Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're talking about how to move XRP from Uphold to cold wallets. Guys, firstly launch the Uphold app and log in with your accounts. Tap on the portfolio tab and select XRP from your asset list. After that you need to copy the XRP address. After selecting XRP, your cold wallet will display a wallet address and possibly a destination tag. Tap Copy Address to copy the XRP wallet address. Return to the Uphold app. In the Uphold app, tap on Send to Cryptocurrency or Utility Token. After that, select XRP as the sending asset. Paste your XRP wallet address into the recipient's field. If your cold wallet provides a destination tag, enter it as well. After that, you need to enter the amount of XRP you want to send. Review the fees and estimated arrival before proceeding. Carefully review all details, ensuring the wallet address, destination tag, and amount are correct, and after that, tap Confirm. Uphold may ask for two-factor authentication or additional security steps before processing the withdrawal. Once the transaction is complete, open your cold wallet app and check the balance to confirm the XRP has arrived. And that's it, guys. In terms of the important notes, XRP transactions require both a wallet address and a destination tag in most cases. Thank you for watching this tutorial, guys. Hopefully this helps you out. Press like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.